To create Ghibli art on the Gemini app, start by opening the app and selecting a new canvas with a suitable size and resolution for your artwork. Ghibli art is known for its whimsical and dreamlike quality, so choose a size that allows for intricate details and textures. Next, select a brush that mimics traditional media such as watercolor or gouache. As these are commonly used in Ghibli-style art, the Gemini app offers a range of brushes that can be customized to achieve the desired effect. Begin by sketching the main elements of your composition. Using a light color to block in the basic shapes and forms. Consider the principles of Ghibli art, such as emphasizing nature and using soft, muted colors. Once you have a basic sketch, start adding layers of color and texture to your artwork. Use the Gemini app's layer system to build up complex scenes and characters, and experiment with different blending modes to achieve a sense of depth and atmosphere. Pay attention to the lighting in your scene, as Ghibli art often features soft, warm lighting that adds to the sense of wonder and enchantment. Use the Gemini app's lighting tools to create subtle gradients and shading effects that enhance the mood of your artwork. As you work, remember to keep your brushstrokes loose and expressive, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Ghibli art is all about capturing a sense of magic and imagination, so don't be afraid to let your creativity shine through. Finally, add any final details and textures to your artwork, such as patterns, foliage, or other decorative elements. Use the Gemini app's selection of textures and patterns to add a sense of authenticity and depth to your scene. By following these steps and tips, you can create beautiful Ghibli-inspired art on the Gemini app that captures the essence of this beloved style. With practice and patience, you can master the techniques and principles of Ghibli art and create stunning works of art that transport viewers to another world.